Hi everyone. How are you doing? Today channel Sreyoun is going to present you about English language learning. Do you have any problem with English language learning? Here are some tips that can help you a lot in English language learning. There are 3 tips of English language learning such as Basics, Skills and Success. 1. Basics. 1.1. Pronunciation. Learn this first. English pronunciation is not phonetic, so it is easy to learn new words with incorrect pronunciation. 1.2. Vocabulary. Learn the words you need to know, with the correct pronunciation. 1.3. Grammar. Grammar is like the foundation of a house. The stronger the foundation, the better the house. Grammar is the foundation of language. 1.4. Practice. Practice makes perfect. 2. Skills. 2.1. Listening. The first thing you did to learn your own language. Listen to as much English as you can. 2.2. Speaking. The next thing you did as a child and you practiced until you could speak fluently. 2.3. Reading. Reading will help you see how English is formed. 2.4. Writing. Writing will help you to perfect your English. 3. Success. 3.1. Motivation. The more motivation you have, the faster you will learn. 3.2. Time. The longer you spend learning, the more you will learn. 3.3. Quality. Learn correctly the first time. Correct and learn from your mistakes. 30 minutes per day is better than 3.5 hours per week. 3.4. Practice. Practice makes perfect. That's all about my presentation. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.